Wait, why is it clear?
I wanna glow up. Like, I wanna look like a human being. Oh, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to pluck our brows, snatch the blackheads or whiteheads, and then we are going to put makeup. Okay, so I'm not much of a makeup person. Don't know much about, you know, stuff. We're just gonna try and learn. Hi guys! Hindi ko naman talaga alam kung anong ginagawa ko. But since we're already here, let's just do it. First is to take a shower because, you know, you got stink. Hey! And I'm back! So, ito na nga. Meron tayo ditong magic mirror. That's what we're gonna use. And then we have our magic tools. These are the key. Ito yung blackhead extractor, and this is the chane. I hold these as my major necessity dahil kailangan ko talaga sila for my blackhead.
So ito na nga, no, you're about to see. Oh my god, can you see? Oh, I haven't plucked in years.
Naiiyak ako.
Wow, so now it's red. God. We also have to take care of these, and these are my blackheads. We're gonna use this magic tool. It's this, I don't know, i-squeeze out niya yung inner laga mo.
Moisturizer. Whatever. Ugh. Pea-size amount. You know the drill. Put it on your face. And moisturize, you know, circles, and then let it dry. So medyo tuyo na nga siya, and we're gonna apply the BB cream. You know what? I'm just not gonna talk. Okay, I'm not gonna talk. Wala akong sponge today, so kamay na lang. Boom! Then after that, I use this. And I like to use it as a highlighter also. Because look at that. I normally just put it sa crease ng nose and sa under eyes, and then some here a little bit. Because it gets dark there sometimes. Okay, so next. Ito yung next. Usually kasi for everyday use, I don't have a mang bougie powder. Meron tayo dyan, sis. That's what I have today. I'm gonna use my MAC brows and this Anastasia Beverly Hills spoolie. Yeah. I like to start with the ends of my brows first because that's where I want most emphasis. Pag kasi sa harap, alam mo yun, parang Sharpie, and we don't want that, so. Guys, nakalimutan ko na mag-makeup, I swear. Is this even correct? Like, anyway, onto the blush because I'm seeing it here. I'm using this Tarte palette, and it's super nice nga. I mean, like, fuck. Yung nails ko. Shit. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. Come on. Tarte. And I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown brush. Focus. So I want to mix these two colors. I'm more of like a corally girl than a super bright pink girl. Guys, ang ganda niya. And I forgot to put on contour, so we're gonna do that right now. I don't know if it's contour. I feel like it's blush, but it's from Detail. Super cheap lang nito, but super ganda din. Ha! I'm not really good with shadows, but I have this. And we're gonna try to work with it or test our skills. One thing that I've learned is that since I have pretty chubby eyes, if that's a thing, or like hooded eyes, I like to just blend it upwards so that it kind of soups your eye. So that's what I'm doing, just like blending it upwards like that. I'm gonna be using Milkshake by Sunnies Face. This is my ultimate favorite. I love Milkshake, honestly. Love it. I'm gonna use this lip gloss from Etude house. Okay, so final touch. I don't really wanna but now nobody has time to do their hair. Because I put it in the bun lang. Anyway, finally mukha na tayong tao. Ito na nga yung final look. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Hi, it's me again. If you're wondering why quarantine ngayon, bakit ka nasa hotel, well, it's because it was actually pre-booked by my sister, and yes, I was with my sister, and then our Wi-Fi went down the same day, and I had to take a test the next day, and I just really needed that Wi-Fi. So I'm still social distancing, yo.